Hi, I'm Brady and I directed this episode of Dirty Jobs.
Today we are in Sam's pig farm. Sam, what's my job?
Mike, first you must expel these pigs from their place.
It sounds exciting. Hey pigs, here's Uncle Mike.
Go from here, pussy. It's not difficult.
You are right.
Now you must clean up the pig pen.
Is it difficult?
Do you? I think no.
I hope. I've been for 3 hours in this farm and I'm sleeping pig shit. Oh, it's disgusting.
Is the job too difficult?
No, but don't annoy me. I finished the sweeping and now I shower the shit to refuse bin. Oh, it smells. Oh, this shit is the smell is what I smelled so far. Don't smell pig shit at home.
Don't speak, you must work.
Okay, but it's my TV show. I finished to shower the shit. Hey Sam, I finished.
Nice job, Mike. We must baffle the pigs to their place.
Is it hard?
No.
I try to help. Come on, pigs.
Come on, come on.
Hey, this pig will be crazy. Oh! Sam, help me! Help me!
Okay, Mike. That's all.
Oh, thanks Sam. You saved my life. Thanks the job Sam, and thank you for watching.
Bye.